Groupon stock is showing a lot of strength in the regular session of today, the 12th of March 2025, up as you can see 39.15%. It's reported revenue of it reported revenue of $130.4 million for the fourth quarter that ended. That ended in probably in 2024, down 5% from the same period a year earlier, but beating Wall Street expectations of $127.7 million. The company said its active customer base stood at 15.4 million as of December 31st, remaining flat sequentially, but that North American active customers rose 1% to 10.3 million. The company expects revenue in the first quarter, that is first quarter of this year, 2025, to be $114 million to $117 million, compared with $160 million expected by analysts, according to FactSet. So that's what we are looking at right now. And if you take this rejection at 12.16 and this support at 11.31, you might get an upper projection of around 14.86. And if you also come to this 45-minute chart and you take this rejection at 12.25 and this support at 11.47, you would equally get a projection of around 14.86 as well. And if you come down to the hourly chart, let's see what's going on here. There are no projections. We have to point out that on that 45-minute chart, higher prices are projected. But here on the 1 hour chart, momentum is expected to peak today. It's expected to peak today. From tomorrow, in a few hours from now on, up till tomorrow. Yeah, up till today, based on our settings. Weakness is supposed to set in. So in any time soon, it's projected that weakness will set into the stock, into the price. We have a downward projection here of 10.24 and 9.92. So naturally, you should expect that maybe some pullback will occur. But regardless, we still have we still maintain those upper projections, 14.86. I think here on the 2 hour chart, we might even get something. You might get a validation of that as well, or probably something less. But there's a down projection here. We have a 10.26, and weakness is supposed to kick in by tomorrow, the 13th of March. Yeah. In terms of momentum, let's have a look at the 3 hour chart and see. 3 hour chart, let's see what's here. Okay, we have downward projection here of 10.26. Extrapolation is for higher prices, but momentum expected to wane as well. Let's look at the 4 hour chart and see. Yeah, no visible downward projections, but the extrapolation of this 10 and 21 day moving average, 21 period moving averages is for higher prices. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Friday. Maybe just moderate somewhat by then. Let's come down to the daily chart and see what's going on here. So we have here momentum is expected to remain strong up to Tuesday, the 25th of March. The 10-day moving average has an extrapolation that says that prices will continue to remain strong up till then. We have a downward projection of 9.42, and we projected, as I mentioned earlier, on 14.86. Yeah, we have a negated upper projection of 14.63. It was in play as of the 3rd of March, not in play anymore. And then 15.56, not in play anymore. Yeah, so if you really want to be ambitious, you could do this. You could say 13.63 and 9.72. You find that difference. 13.63. You have 3.91 multiplied by 1.618. You have 6.32638. Add that to the current price of 13.58. You have 19.9. So yeah, that could be another projection, 19.9. So that would take it all the way up here. Yeah. So that would bring this negated upper projection of $19 into play. It was in play from the 27th of December up to the 30th of December of last year. No, sorry, it was in play from 27th of December, 20, okay, you could say 26th of December up till the 30th of January this year. So it was quite a sustained one, even though it could be, it could be longer based on. I mean, if you look at this is a sustained projection. So yeah, so 19.9, something that can happen. Yeah, okay, $19.9, some impossible projection. Probabilities of that happening not very high at all. So 14.86, absolutely. You can see from here now. From here, you can see okay, a decent amount of okay, maybe not so much. If you at least in the short term, it's not the probability is not very high, not very high because in that term we're going to get a lot of moving averages to support an encouraging probability. So I mean, in a very short time. So if we come back to the 4-hour chart, we might be able to see if we can support this. If we can just if you like casually see the see any likelihood of a decent probability that can any encouraging probability that can support this 14.86 projection. So 14.86 will be very high here. So we're not seeing anything like that as well too. So there isn't really anything as well in the very short term to support this 14.86 upper projection. But it is indeed something that can happen regardless. So see what you make of Groupon stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.